A system has a voltage of 15 V and it produces a total current of 1300 A. Find the power of system. A 0.025 watts. B 0.035 watts. C 0.0195 watts. D 0.045 watts. The correct answer is 0.0195 watts. An input resistance of 20K causes a noise voltage of 10 V. Suppose two input resistance each of 20K are connected in parallel, then find the total noise voltage. A 8 V. B 10 V. C 20 V. D 13 V. The correct answer is 8 V. What do you understand by the term analog communication? A method in which one of the properties of a carrier signal varies in proportion to an instantaneous value of modulation signal. B. A way for data and computer communication. C. A numerical coded communication. D. A suitable method for long-distance communication. The correct answer is a method in which one of the properties of a carrier signal varies in proportion to an instantaneous value of modulation signal. Video signals are transmitted through A. Frequency modulation. B. Amplitude modulation. C. Pulse modulation. D. Either frequency or amplitude modulation. The correct answer is amplitude modulation. Data transmitted for a given amount of time is called A. Noise. B. Power. C. Frequency. D. Bandwidth. The correct answer is bandwidth. Medium which sends information from source to receiver is called A. Transmitter. B. Transducer. C. Loudspeaker. D. Channel. The correct answer is channel. What you understand by the term discone antenna? A. Combination of disc and cone. B. Combination of disc and cone with a spacing of 4. C. Combination of disc and cone with a spacing of 2. D. Same as a simple antenna. The correct answer is combination of disc and cone. Amplitude modulation suffers from A. Sideband suppression. B. Intrapulse modulation. C. Cross modulation. D. Carrier suppression. The correct answer is cross modulation. Telephones send information through wires in form of A. Radio signals. B. Electrical signal. C. Electromagnetic waves. D. Microwaves. The correct answer is electrical signal. Cell phones sent information in form of A. Microwaves. B. Electrical signals. C. Infrared waves. D. Radio waves. The correct answer is radio waves. What is demodulation? A. Process of varying one or more properties of a periodic waveform. B. Recovering information from a modulated signal. C. Process of mixing a signal with a sinusoid to produce a new signal. D. Involvement of noise. The correct answer is recovering information from a modulated signal. The ability of receivers to select the wanted signals among various incoming signal is called A. Selectivity. B. Fidelity. C. Sensitivity. D. Modulation. The correct answer is selectivity. If output can be represented as linear combination of input, then A. The system is linear. B. The system is causal. C. The system is non-causal. D. The system is time invariant. The correct answer is the system is linear. Which device is used for tuning the receiver according to incoming signal, especially in TV? A. Low-pass filter. B. High-pass filter. C. Zener diode. D. Varactor diode. The correct answer is Varactor diode. The minimum height of antenna required for transmission in terms of is A. 3 2. B. 4. C. 2. D. The correct answer is 4. Modem is combination of both modulator and demodulator. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.